Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Take a moment to settle in, take a breath, soften your shoulders, and I want to know if I noticed something and if you notice this too. So, more and more women are returning to nature, spirituality, and witchcraft. And it's not a trend, it's a remembering. Over the last few years, I've watched this beautiful, powerful rising happening. Women stepping away from the noise, the pressure, the overthinking, the burnout, and returning to nature, cycles, intuition, and ritual. And here's my take on this. We're not learning witchcraft, we're remembering it because when the world gets loud, when life feels overwhelming, when our nervous system is constantly overloaded, our body instinctively, if I say it correctly, reaches for the things that have always healed us: the earth, ritual, slowness, herbs, moon cycles, community, sisterhood, intuition. This return to witchcraft is really a return to self-connection. Women are done with outsourcing their power. We're done believing that logic alone can fix everything. We're done living cut off from our own inner knowing. And when you reconnect with nature, you can reconnect with yourself. You become more grounded. Your anxiety softens. Your intuition becomes clear again because you're able to hear it. You feel supported, held, and guided because nature doesn't rush. She doesn't push. She doesn't force. She expands from the root. And women are finally here to remember. And we do too. So if you're feeling this to the core, back to your roots, your rituals, your intuition, if your body truly is whispering, I want to reconnect, this is exactly what you can find inside my Wisdom Cauldron membership. It's deep, it's intuitive, it's grounded, herbal remedies, support to help you come home to yourself. I'll leave the details in the description box below. If your body feels the yes, then click the link in the description box. But if you're still like, well, you know what, Eva, I'm not sure, then just come on root, grab some cocoa or an herbal infused tea, and let's have a conversation. See you in the next one.